Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alajinka checking in. I just caught this large, very large movement. I got in down here at the 7180 level or 7178 level and caught quite a big of upside movement up, and it's doing a full retest of the second level here. It may be going to take out some stop losses here in a second. It's going to hurt a couple of trades that were people that was in this downside movement and this downside movement possibly. Maybe retrace back over here and fall later, but it definitely did a large upside movement. I'm in heavy profits on both of them. I'm in a buys at 71.90 and 71.86. Completely out of the money. Counts at $1,000. There's a lot of risk on this trade, but yeah. Still doing very well. 72.11 is the current price. Totally above 20 pips above this price, and 23 pips above 24 pips above this price. But I actually got in at 71.80, 71.83. So very good trade, and caught a complete up out of the money trade. Real good. Still got an hour left in this trade. That's the only thing is. I caught this trade about 2 hours ago, so it was at 2 hour point. So I wish I would have had an hour, but I didn't expect a large side movement. I expected it, but I didn't think it was going to be all in one hour movement. So it was tremendous. As you can see, I'm up $500 on this trade. So things are going very well. I'm just debating whether I'm just going to take these profits and get on out of here and be ready for tomorrow. But give me a second. I'll think about it and I'll come back to this video. As the new hour comes, it continues to move to the upside. So this thing is doing very well. I'm just going to come in and comment on that, but it could take a downside move. But we'll see how that goes. All right, we're back. We're under a minute. I did buys at 71.90 and 71.86. I bought out of the money trades. Market's currently at 72.11, 72.12. 33 seconds left. I'm going to make 406 on this one and 228 on the other one. So looking about 600 something odd dollars on one trade. Entry was way down here before this breakout really happened. So I caught the breakout before it happened, and it broke out and stayed to the upside, and I'm winning this trade. Been this trade 2 hours, and this trade is finally about to be over right now. All right, there's the balance, 1141. I'm going to live with that and call it a night. I'll let you can check it out, y'all.